Yes, children, here one project is there. So how many lesson I had completed? Yes, two lesson. First one is what? Basic concepts in geometry, and second lesson, that is integers. So two lesson we studied, and here one project is there. That project it carries marks. Okay, so children, you have to do here what tell, and one project is there, that is in which lesson? Basic concepts in geometry. So what you have to do, I will tell. Yes, first you have to write objectives. Where you have to write that also I will tell you. Yes, objective is, see here, to identify and define points, line segment, rays and planes. To draw parallel line, intersecting line and types of angle. And materials, which materials you required. Okay, that is, first one is what? Chart paper or drawing sheet. Any one, chart paper or drawing sheet. And matchsticks, glue, sketch pen. Children, I hope you will get these all things from your home, isn't it? Yes. Procedure, what you have to do, I will explain now. And see here, draw a line segment, ray, plane, parallel line, intersecting line, types of angle. That means acute, right, obtuse angle, and one triangle on the chart paper. So if you are taking chart paper or drawing sheet, whatever it is you have to take, so on that paper you have to draw these all things: line segment, ray, plane, parallel line, intersecting line, types of angle. Three angles already you had studied in your 5th standard, isn't it? So these three angles you have to draw, and one triangle also. On the chart paper you have to draw. So, and afterwards what you have to do? Stick matchsticks on the figures which you have drawn on the chart paper. So which figures you have drawn on your chart paper, on that figure you have to stick matchsticks. Okay, and children, take one chart paper or yes, drawing sheet you have to take. First you have to write the heading basic concepts in geometry. Next you have to write objectives. Yes, objective you have to write. Afterwards you have to draw. Yes, afterwards children, you have to draw these all things: line segment, ray, plane, these all things you have to draw, and afterwards you have to stick matchsticks on that figure. So first it should be what? Heading. Next one is objectives. Next one is what? Yes, this you don't write any materials required and procedure. It is not necessary to write. So first objectives you have to write. Next one, and on the figure you have to what? Stick matchsticks. I hope you will get from your home itself that matchsticks, yes or no? Yes, and matchsticks you have to stick, and if you want you have to color the matchsticks also. Okay, the with sketch pen easily you can do, isn't it? So after that figure, below that what you have to write? Yes, learning outcome. Students will, what you have to write here, I have given this also. Students will be able to understand the concept of a point, line segment, ray, plane, types of angle, and apply the knowledge in different situations. So children, take one drawing sheet or chart paper, and you have to write the heading, that means basic concepts in geometry. And next one, what you have to do? Yes, you have to draw. You have to write objective first. Below that you have to draw this all things. I have told no, these all things you have to draw. Afterwards you have to stick matchsticks, and afterwards if you want you can color also with sketch pen. Okay, can you do? Children, it carries mark. So it has to be submitted after reopen of our school. So it carries marks. So your work, it should be very neat. Okay, and without fail I want. So children, I hope you will complete in your home. Yes, children, see here. Yes, how it look like? Line is, yes, I have given here. For example, I have given line, how it will be. Yes, and next one is line segment. Yes, both side, what is, I am reminding here. And line segment, both side, what is there? Yes, end point is there. This is plane and this is ray. One end point and one arrow. And the next one is, yes, intersecting line and parallel line. This is intersecting line and this is parallel line. Okay, and next one is, yes, acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle, that already you had studied in your 5th standard. So you have to draw like this you have to draw, and you have to stick matchsticks on that figure. Okay, and after along with this you have to draw one, yes, triangle also. So total 10 figure you have to draw, and you have to stick matchsticks on that figure, and you have to, if you want, you can color it also. Okay, children, already I am reminding here, it has to be submitted after school reopen, it carries mark. And here assignment also will come from this indigenous chapter, that also you have to complete it. Okay children, thank you.